Welcome back to Bugs, Buzz, and Beyond, the show where we dive deep into the amazing, weird, and world-changing powers of insects. Now, what if I told you that some bugs could actually help power our cars, planes, and even our homes? Sounds impossible, right? Well, get ready, because today we are talking about insects that help create biofuel. And make sure to stick around until the end. Our topic for today is the insects that help create biofuel. Before we talk bugs, let's first understand what biofuel is. Biofuel is a type of energy made from living organisms, like plants, algae, or even food waste. Unlike fossil fuels, such as coal or gasoline that come from ancient organic matter, biofuels are renewable and much cleaner for the environment. Instead of digging for oil, scientists can produce energy using crops like sugarcane or corn. But here's the twist. Growing crops for fuel takes up a lot of land, water, and resources. That's why researchers started looking for new, smaller helpers. And who better than the creatures that have been recycling nature's waste for millions of years? One of the most famous insects in the biofuel world is the black soldier fly, Termites illucens. These sleek, dark-colored flies may look ordinary, but their larvae are absolute energy factories. Here's how it works. The larvae of the black soldier fly eat almost anything: food scraps, animal manure, and even agricultural waste. As they grow, they store a huge amount of fatty oils in their bodies. When harvested, these oils can be converted into biodiesel, a clean-burning fuel that can replace petroleum diesel. To give you an idea, 1 ton of black soldier fly larvae can produce up to 100 liters of biodiesel. Plus, while they're feeding on waste, they help reduce pollution by breaking down organic material that would otherwise rot and release harmful gases. Next up, the termites. Most people think termites are just destructive pests that eat wood. But hidden inside their stomachs are special microbes that can break down tough plant fibers like cellulose, something humans can't digest. This is super important because cellulose is found in things like crop waste, grass, and trees, materials we normally throw away. Scientists are studying termite guts to copy how their microbes work so that we can turn plant waste into ethanol or other biofuels. In other words, termites might just hold the secret to unlocking mass biofuel production from waste materials. No farming, no pollution, just recycling nature's leftovers. So, while termites may ruin your furniture, they could also help save the planet. Now, here's a surprise guest. Cockroaches. Yes, the bugs everyone loves to hate are also being studied for their biofuel potential. Cockroaches have bacteria in their guts that help break down complex organic materials, producing hydrogen and methane gases in the process. These gases are both valuable sources of bioenergy. In fact, hydrogen gas is one of the cleanest fuels in existence. It produces only water when burned. So, the next time you see a fly buzzing around, remember, it might just hold the key to the future of clean energy. All right, let's see how much you learned. Here are 3 trivia questions. Ready? Let's get started. Question 1. Which insect's larvae are known for producing oils that can be converted into biodiesel? A. Ladybug. B. Black soldier fly. C. Firefly. D. Beetle. Correct answer. B. Black soldier fly. The larvae of the black soldier fly are packed with fats that can be processed into biodiesel, a renewable fuel alternative to petroleum. These larvae can grow on food and farm waste, making them both an eco-friendly recycling system and a sustainable energy source. They're one of the leading insect species studied for large-scale biofuel production. Question 2. What do termites have in their stomachs that make them useful for biofuel research? A. Gold particles. B. Microbes that break down cellulose. C. Gasoline-producing enzymes. D. Tiny batteries. Correct answer. B. Microbes that break down cellulose. Termites host special microorganisms in their guts that can break down cellulose, the tough material found in wood and plants. Scientists are studying these microbes to mimic the process in labs, allowing us to convert agricultural and forest waste into ethanol and other forms of clean fuel. This discovery could help us produce energy without cutting down more trees or using food crops. Question 3. What gas can cockroaches help produce through their gut bacteria? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Hydrogen. D. Carbon dioxide. Correct answer. C. Hydrogen. Cockroach gut bacteria can break down waste to produce gases like hydrogen and methane, both of which are powerful energy sources. Hydrogen is especially valuable because it's clean. When burned, it produces only water vapor instead of carbon emissions. This makes cockroach digestion a surprisingly good model for eco-friendly energy systems. And that's a wrap on today's episode. Insects that help create biofuel. Who knew these tiny recyclers could help power the planet? If you enjoy this video, please check out our other bingeable channels. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution.